Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Yeah, he was saying extremely rarest formation is a conch in conch, Shiva Parvati conch, or Parvati with Ganesh conch. You can take any like this one, but it is perfectly conch in conch. So you can see outside the conch and perfectly one tail coming here, and inside if you see, you can see very clearly another tail coming inside this sponge. It is like goddess Parvati having Lord Ganesh baby with her. See, very perfectly coming outside, and you can see opening on both sides is inside the sponge. This one tail is separately out, and another tail is coming inside. So it is a perfectly conch in conch, very perfectly conch in conch. It's an amazing miracle piece of collection. Beautiful formation, conch in conch. It is very rarely found like this conch in conch. See, one tail is perfectly here, and another tail growing inside the conch. Single tail is not divided, two separate tails. So inside is another conch is growing and coming. And it can be blowing song. It is a blowing song. You can blow it. Extremely miracle collection. Conch in conch from Indian Ocean. It will be the powerful puja conch in the world. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.